Karadaiyan Nombu is observed at the exact moment when the Tamil month Maasi ends and Panguni begins, usually in March. It is a festival dedicated to goddess Gauri and inspired by the legendary tale of Savitri and Satyavan. Why is it called Karadaiyan Nombu? The name comes from two key elements. Karadai means a special dish made with rice flour, jaggery, black-eyed peas, and coconut, traditionally served with unsalted butter as an offering to goddess Gauri. Nombu, meaning fasting, typically done as an act of devotion and prayer. Thus, Karadaiyan Nombu represents a sacred fasting ritual accompanied by the offering of Karadai, seeking blessings for marital prosperity and well-being. The rituals and significance. On this day, married women fast and pray for their husband's long life and well-being, while unmarried women observe the fast to seek a good husband. The key ritual involves tying a yellow sacred thread, Manjal Saradu or Nombu Charadu, around the neck and chant a small prayer. The legend of Savitri and Satyavan. The festival's origins trace back to the powerful story of Savitri, a princess known for her wisdom and devotion. Savitri was given the freedom to choose her husband by her parents. She found her heart drawn to Satyavan, a noble yet exiled prince who was caring for his blind parents. When she declared her choice to her family, scholar Narada warned her that Satyavan's fate was bad, and that Satyavan will die in 1 year. Yet Savitri's love was unshaken, and she married him despite knowing his destiny. For a year, they lived in happiness, but Savitri remained aware of the impending day. She observed strict prayers and fasting, seeking divine strength. On the fateful day, a year from their marriage, Satyavan suddenly collapsed and lost his life. Lord Yama, the god of death, appeared to take his soul, but Savitri refused to let go. She followed Yama, pleading and reasoning, and begged to not take away her husband's life. Impressed by her determination, Yama granted her 3 wishes. With intelligence and devotion, Savitri used her final wish, wisely asking for Satyavan's life to be restored. Bound by his word, Yama granted it, and Satyavan was brought back to life. This festival is a reminder of the power of faith, love, and perseverance. It teaches us that with devotion and determination, even fate can be rewritten. So, as families gather fasting and offering Karadai to goddess Gauri, they celebrate the spirit of Savitri, the woman who conquered destiny with her love and wisdom. Traditions like these connect us to our roots and remind us of the timeless values of love, devotion, and strength. Like and subscribe to learn more about Tamil festivals and traditions.